Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make mini maze game using Arduino Nano. All the codes and circuit diagram for this project is given in the description below. Before making circuit connection, upload the code using Arduino IDE. To make wiring more simple, I use this instead of jumpers. You can design your own custom maze. Before assembling maze board, make sure everything works fine. If you have any questions regarding this project, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.